All right, let's dive right in. The AI gold rush is officially here, right? And everybody is trying to figure out how to turn all this incredible tech into, a real income stream. But with so many options, it's so easy to get lost. So today, we're going to cut through all that noise and help you find out where you actually fit in.
You see the headlines, you hear about all the new tools, and you just know there's a huge opportunity here. But what are you supposed to be? A coder? A consultant? Some kind of video wizard? It's honestly overwhelming. And that feeling of paralysis, well, that's exactly what we're going to solve in this explainer.
See, the key isn't chasing some random get-rich-quick hack you saw online. It's about understanding the new roles that are popping up and finding the one that perfectly matches your natural skills and what you actually like to do. So, we're going to break down 3 core archetypes: the creative studio, the business Sherpa, and the architect. Okay, let's kick things off with our very first archetype, the AI creative studio. Now, this one is for all you visual thinkers, the storytellers, and really anyone with a creative spark who wants to produce amazing content, but at a massive scale. Think of this role as becoming a one-person agency. Seriously, with tools like InVideo for making videos or AI studios for creating content with super realistic avatars, you can now do the work that, just a couple of years ago, would have required a whole team of people, a physical studio, and all kinds of expensive gear. And these opportunities are totally real. We're not talking about some far-off dream. The data shows that creators are pulling in around $4,500 a month with faceless YouTube channels. You've got freelancers on Fiverr charging $50 for a single AI-generated ad or $80 for one custom video clip. You could even bundle these services into monthly packages for businesses and charge $2,000 a month. And this quote, it nails it. This illustrates the fundamental shift perfectly. All those old barriers to entry, finding actors, renting cameras, scouting locations, they've been completely vaporized by AI. The power is now literally in the hands of one person with a laptop. Okay, let's move on to our second archetype, the AI business Sherpa. So maybe you're not a visual artist, but you're great at research, you love strategy, and you're good at explaining things clearly. If that's you, listen up. This one's for you. You become the trusted guide for businesses that are totally lost in the AI wilderness. Every single business owner knows they need to be using AI, but they're absolutely drowning in options. There are literally thousands of tools out there. As a Sherpa, your product isn't code, it's clarity. You're the one who helps them find the right tools, and then you teach their teams how to actually use them. So the crucial thing to get here is that you're solving a massive, massive pain point. You take that feeling of paralysis they have, and you turn it into a super clear, actionable plan. You're not building anything complicated. You're just giving them a simple report that says, here, use these 3 tools, do this. And get this, according to data from one creator community, the average time it takes to land your very first client for one of these AI tools audits is just 9 days. 9. That just goes to show you how intense the demand is right now for this kind of clarity. So you've got 2 clear paths here. You can start with the simple AI tools on it, charge maybe $500 to get started, and then scale that up. Or you can get into corporate training. Start with some free workshops to build your name, get some testimonials, and then you can move into paid half-day sessions that can earn you $5,000 or even more. I mean, this is such a powerful, real-world example. That free workshop isn't really a freebie, it's a Trojan horse. It's the absolute best way to show a company what you can do, and then that one free session turns into a pipeline for much bigger, high-ticket consulting projects down the line. Which brings us to our third and final archetype, the AI architect. Now this is for the builders, the systems thinkers, the problem solvers who don't just want to use AI tools, they want to create entirely new ones. The architect is the person who sees a specific problem and builds a specific AI solution to fix it. This could be anything from an AI phone line that answers customer questions 24/7 to a custom GPT that acts like a specialized consultant for a really niche industry. And you know what the craziest part is? You do not need to be a coding genius to do this anymore. Not at all. Platforms like Health Studio have made the whole process so much simpler. You can basically set up a custom assistant, connect it to a payment system like Stripe, and launch a monetized app with just a link you can share. And the opportunities here are just so diverse. I mean, you could create an instant website flipper that redesigns old, crusty small business websites in minutes. Or you could build a super specialized GPT for legal document review or investment analysis and then sell it as a monthly subscription service. And this isn't just theory, okay? This is real data from monetization platforms showing what builders are already earning. A legal GPT is pulling in 5,000 bucks a month. An academic coach GPT, 3,200. And a marketing strategy bot is generating $7,500 in monthly recurring revenue. That's amazing. So, there we have it. We've walked through the three distinct roles: the creative studio, the business Sherpa, and the architect. Each one offers a really clear path to making a real income with AI, but they all leverage very, very different skills. So, how do you find your fit? Honestly, it comes down to your core skills. What are you naturally good at? Are you a storyteller with a great eye for how things look? The creative studio is your path. Are you a strategist who loves to research and explain complex things simply? You're a business Sherpa. Or do you just love to build systems and solve really specific problems? Well, then, you're an architect. So the only question left is, which one are you? The opportunity is right here, right now. The tools are more accessible than they've ever been, and the demand is absolutely exploding. The key is to stop trying to do everything at once. Instead, find your role, master it, and go build your own place in this incredible new AI economy.